Welcome to our channel, where future billionaires come to get inspired. Today, we're delving into the world of the incredibly wealthy. Buckle up, because you're about to embark on a journey like never before. But before we dive in, let's talk about the levels of wealth. We all know celebrities who are seen as rich by the masses, but there's a difference between new money and old money. The true elite, the 0.1%, have built their fortunes the traditional way, starting businesses, working hard, and steadily growing their wealth. So, while rappers and athletes may be seen as rich, they're not necessarily seen as peers by the business class of society, which includes people like Bezos and Jay-Z. Before we get into it, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you're never missing out on the important steps to financial freedom. Now, let's explore the 15 luxury services that rich people use to make their lives easier and, well, richer. Number 1. Assistants. Did you know that there are multiple types of assistants that the super wealthy rely on? The most popular two are executive assistants, EAs, and personal assistants, PAs. EAs act as buffers on ongoing projects, keeping managers in check and filtering out information. PAs, on the other hand, ensure schedules are fulfilled and take care of personal aspects of life. Nowadays, you don't have to be a billionaire to have assistants. Services like virtual assistants are available on platforms like Freelancer, Upwork, and Fiverr. Number 2. Personal chef. Time is the most valuable asset for the rich, and they value it above all else. That's why they outsource every service they can. Nutrition and cooking is no exception. While food delivery apps like Foodpanda and Uber Eats have made it easier for everyone to get meals delivered, the wealthy have access to alternatives. A quick Google search for a chef for hire will introduce you to a range of platforms where you can book your own personal chef. Enjoy a meal with your family without the hassle of shopping for ingredients or cooking. Number 3. Private security. Security is crucial for the wealthy. Not only do they want protection from potential threats, but they also want to increase their chances of survival in any event. From armored commercial vehicles to personal bodyguards, the rich spare no expense in ensuring their safety. While private security may not be necessary for everyone, it's a luxury that the wealthy can afford. Number 4. Publicist and PR. Rich people understand the importance of shaping their image and managing the media's perception of them. Publicists and PR professionals work tirelessly to highlight their accomplishments and bury any negative press. While this doesn't always work perfectly, it's a service that the wealthy rely on to curate what the world sees. Additionally, in the age of the internet, companies that focus on erasing your online footprint are emerging. This industry is expected to grow rapidly as people seek to extend their privacy. Number 5. Cybersecurity. With the rise of online threats, cybersecurity has become a mainstream concern. While the general population is catching up, the rich have been investing in premium cybersecurity services for years. They understand that everything they do online can be tracked, and they take steps to protect their information. Using private servers and virtual private networks, VPNs, they ensure their online activities remain private. Number 6. Private wealth management. While average individuals search for investment opportunities on their own, the wealthy have entire teams managing their wealth. These professionals search for the best investment opportunities and make calculated decisions to continuously grow their fortunes. While index funds like Vanguard are popular among the rich, there are exclusive wealth management services available to those with significant net worth. These services actively change the financial landscape to fit the vision of the investor. Number 7. Access to private airstrips and closed-off geographies. Time is of the essence for the rich, which is why private jets are a thing. They want to avoid the hassle of traditional travel and cut down on commute time. Private airstrips and secluded resorts offer privacy and exclusivity, allowing the wealthy to enjoy their time without being bothered. Some even opt for private islands or helicopter access-only villas to ensure maximum seclusion. Number 8. Personal item tracker. The rich invest in rare and valuable items like art and collectibles. To ensure they have access to these exclusive pieces, they hire experts to track down and acquire them. These connoisseurs travel the world, network with high-profile individuals, and act as private buyers for their clients. The art market, in particular, is a hotbed of activity. For example, the Saudi royal family purchased Leonardo da Vinci's Salvator Mundi for a staggering $450 million in a private deal. Number 9. Personal trainer and medic. Health is a top priority for the rich. They invest in personal trainers, nutritionists, and private chefs to optimize their fitness and well-being. But they don't stop there. In case of emergencies, they rely on private medical services. With just the push of a panic button, a helicopter is dispatched to their location with all the necessary medical equipment and professionals. These services ensure that the wealthy receive the best care available. Number 10. Private therapist, priest, or life coach. The rich understand the importance of maintaining a focused mindset. They hire professionals to provide guidance and support in various aspects of life. Therapists help them overcome anxiety or trauma. Priests provide spiritual guidance, and life coaches assist in achieving their goals. These services, once seen as luxuries, are now available to a wider audience. Number 11. Life and property insurance. Rich individuals understand the need to protect their assets and loved ones. They have access to insurance services that cover a wide range of risks, including kidnappings and theft of priceless items. These insurance agencies even provide professional negotiators and SWAT teams to handle such situations. In case of natural disasters or other emergencies, helicopters are dispatched to transport their possessions out of danger zones. Number 12. Country clubs and private memberships. Country clubs and exclusive groups serve as private networking opportunities for the rich. It's not just about the amenities like tennis courts and spas. It's about meeting like-minded individuals who can become potential business partners. Many billionaires have closed big deals on the golf course, making it a hotspot for networking and forging valuable connections. Number 13. Elite nannies. Elite nannies are in high demand among the wealthy. These nannies are more than just babysitters. They are coaches, educators, and emotional support for the children of the rich. They possess exceptional skills, speak multiple languages, and provide personalized care to ensure the child's development aligns with the parent's vision. Elite nannies earn six-figure salaries and enjoy a luxurious lifestyle. Number 14. Multiple passports and offshore private banking. Securing additional passports is a common practice among the rich. It allows them to travel to countries restricted under their main nationality and opens up new business opportunities. Offshore private banking services are also utilized to protect and grow their wealth. While there are controversial aspects to this practice, it's a strategy that many high net worth individuals employ. Number 15. High net worth dating. Dating can be challenging for the wealthy as their busy schedules leave little time for traditional romance. That's why high net worth individuals often rely on dating agencies and exclusive events to meet potential partners. These gatherings allow like-minded individuals to connect and build relationships based on shared interests and goals. So, if you're a billionaire looking for love, there are services tailored to your needs. Now that we've explored these 15 luxury services, we want to know which one you would choose if you had the chance. Is it wealth management, personal security, private travel, or perhaps something else? Let us know in the comments below. Before we wrap up, we have a bonus for you. The rich pay according to the value of their own time, not just the product or service itself. This mindset shift can be transformative. Think about the true value of your time and what it's worth. Calculate your return on time (ROT). Divide your earnings by the total hours you've worked in a month to determine the current value of an hour of your time. Understanding the value of your time is a game changer. So, what's your ROT? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for being part of our community. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. And if you want to continue the conversation or have any questions, reach out to us on social media or our website. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next video.